Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling the word cryptoeconomics. It might seem a bit complex, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to say it with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is cryptoeconomics. First, we have creep, where the K sounds like KR in crisp, and the I sounds like the short I in bit. Next, toe, which sounds like toe. Then, E, which is a long E, like in C. After that, con, which sounds like con in contract. Now, which rhymes with bomb. Finally, ix, where the I is short, and kes sounds like the X in box. Let's put it all together slowly. Cryptoeconomics. Try repeating after me. Cryptoeconomics. Now, a little faster. Cryptoeconomics. And at full speed, cryptoeconomics. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll have it down. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Cryptoeconomics is the study of economic systems and incentives in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. It combines cryptography, economics, and game theory to design decentralized systems and ensure secure, fair transactions. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce cryptoeconomics and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.